As promised, I am back with the part 2 of River Arc Greenfield Resort series. So, in this video, I will be sharing my personal experience with the resort and also, along with that, a lot of exciting activities and other stuff that they offer. So, morning में उठते ही the first thing that came into my mind was just to explore this whole place. और मैं उठते ही सीधा बाहर आ गई और देखते हैं क्या क्या है यहाँ पे हमारे लिए. Then comes this best place. I mean this pool. Look at this beauty. Like it was perfect place to unwind and soak in the beauty of nature. Like you guys can see, this pool is surrounded with lots of greenery और धूप भी नहीं थी. तो इतना अच्छा वेदर था कि इतना अच्छा लग रहा था ना वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा. So it was like if you are here for a morning swim or a relaxing afternoon, this pool is simply amazing for you. That is what I felt for myself. I mean. अभी यार सीधा पूल में तो नहीं जा सकते थे. So we thought maybe we should take some aesthetic shots first. So हम बैठ के थोड़ा ऐसा pose वोज मारने लग गए. But apart from that, generally we were just enjoying the view and also the water. Finally, after that I went inside the pool and then I spent around 2 hours inside there. So उसके बाद जो मुझे tanning आई है ना, even without sunlight, वो मैं ही जानती हूँ. So how this pool works is, if you are booking any type of room there, then this pool comes as a complimentary for all the guests. Like you can come anytime there and enjoy inside the pool whenever you want. So this is the plus point. And after that, if you guys haven't watched the part 1 video where I have shared full list of rooms, then I must tell you guys, like, please go and watch out that video. I have added the link in the description below. So यहाँ पे आ चुके थे हमारे पति देव और जिन्होंने कुछ ऐसा किया जो कि था मेरे लिए सरप्राइज, just like this. So it was just a fun moment and we were enjoying inside the pool and it was nice. So after having a lot of fun at the pool site, we were finally here to explore all the fun activities available here. And I mean, whether you are into sports or just looking for some entertainment, this resort got you covered. Genuinely, it has lot of indoor games, lot of activities. Like this was one of their video game zone and I played this air hockey for the very first time. I haven't played it पहले कभी नहीं खेला है, so it is my first time and I made the goal also. Yay! So guys, here comes the next game, the foosball game, and here ये लोग खेल रहे थे, but I was just enjoying watching them guys. So ये भी अच्छा था. But jokes apart, like if you guys are into indoor games, then this place offers multiple type of indoor games, like be it from the video game to air hockey or the classic favorites like carom, as you can see. So this place got you covered in all type of those games, and this was the special part. Like they have this kids section where I mean I haven't seen this in most of the resort. So after that we came for a table tennis. Joki as usual, he knows how to play. He knows every game. So at last we came to play pool. And as I have told you, like they have covered all type of indoor games there. I mean, if you are getting bored in your room and you want to play something in the time of afternoon, then you guys can straight away come here and just enjoy the games that you like. So यहाँ भी as usual he know how to play, but I was learning from him, but I did good. And yeah, so I am not a regular player of this game, but yes, I know how to play it. So it was nice. Like देखो गई मेरी ball. Then after that we were just recording some shots. Like that. So guys, yes, they have this extra section of pottery and everything like that. I mean, यहाँ पे इनके पास bell rings, type of cups and pots, and they have a lot of things like these. All of these were handmade, and if you like any of this, then you guys can buy it from them. So this section was also there. And they have like very cute pots. बहुत अच्छी चीज़ें थी, काफ़ी cuteness सा था उन सब में. So it was nice. Like I will be showing you a closer view like this. I mean, you can see their art on those pots and everything. So this is all that they offer as along with the indoor activities. So guys, in outdoor activities, they offer multiple type of games like archery, shooting, badminton, and a few more were there. So इससे तो हो नहीं रहा था मेरी दोस्त से archery. So भैया ने बहुत अच्छे से करके दिखाया, but he was very trained. And after that, the best part, like watching these kids having so much of fun on trampoline, like it made me think of my childhood. Like बचपन में जो मज़े कर लिए ना, वो लौट के नहीं आते हैं. This is the best part of our life. I think everyone can agree on that. Badminton also I have played like after years there. So I had a lot of fun there. Like the main thing that I should point out is this place was so much refreshing for me. Like I was able to recollect all those memories of my childhood that were so amazing, so close to my heart, and it was sort of a very refreshing feeling that I had there. So that is the best part. So after having a lot of fun in the indoor activities and also in the outdoor activities, I was very hungry. तो अब टाइम था कुछ पेट पूजा का, और हम आ गए थे इनके रेस्टोरेंट जो कि इनके टेरेस साइड पे हैं. They offer this buffet like in the morning breakfast, lunch and dinner. All 3 times they have a different buffet. And generally guys, it is delicious. So this is the restaurant. Like you can see, it's like a rural touch in it. And it seems like it is made of a mud, and they were just trying to give it a rural touch. So because it's near Jaipur, so Jaipur wala vibe to thoda dena padega na. So ambience was like that only. Like they have decorated the restaurant with this cart that you can see just behind me. So it was very like natural stuff that they have used. And देखो चुटकी बजाते ही थाली आ गई मेरी. And guys, we had this paneer, dal, raita, roti, and I just loved everything. And I have only covered lunch, but trust me on this, the breakfast and dinner, those were also so amazing and very tasty. Like I enjoyed every meal there. And this was the view from the terrace. This is so nice. Now you can have the idea of the greenery that I was talking about. It is surrounded with so much of greenery. Like I couldn't believe कि ये जयपुर है, ये राजस्थान है. राजस्थान की ऐसी इमेज तो नहीं थी मेरे माइंड में, because it was so green. And then there was some event ongoing in their auditorium. So this resort offers multiple type of auditoriums. Also the one that you are seeing right now is the largest among all the auditoriums. So it is sort of a banquet hall. Like you can plan your destination weddings also there. वहाँ पे बहुत अच्छी destination weddings होते हैं. I have seen the videos, like they have shown me. If you are staying there, you get a free access to their water park that is named as Wetland. You got access to the water park for full day, and every day you can go there and enjoy. So we had a lot of fun there. Like हमने सबसे ज़्यादा जो मज़े किए हैं ना, वो हमने water park में किए हैं, जो I think clearly visible hai. They have lot of slides for the adults, and they have a kid slides also. Apart from that, they have this rain dance area also, जहाँ पे हम थोड़ा डांस कर रहे थे, and अच्छा लग रहा था करने में. We enjoyed there. But apart from that, if I share some information about this wetland, so it is like if you want to come only for a water park, then that access is also there. Like if you don't want to stay in the resort, but you only want to enjoy in the water park, so they have a different ticketing system for that. And this slide was the best one. Yeah, so after that I had a lot of fun on all these slides. I mean, I covered every slide. यार जब stay के साथ मिल रहा है तो क्यों ना करें. But it was worth it. So guys, here we comes to an end. Like this is all I have, and I wanted to share with you all regarding the experience that I had with River Arc Greenfield Resort near Jaipur. Like it's just 4 to 5 hours of drive from Delhi, and I must tell you guys, like you should visit there. You won't regret your decision. It's such an amazing place, and it's like in a lap of a nature. You can enjoy the greenery and whole vibe. It will be a refreshing staycation for you guys, and please go there and enjoy, and do let me know your feedback. Like, and if you have any sort of questions regarding this place and you want to just clarify any sort of doubts, you can just add your comments down below, and I will be clearing all your doubts there. Thank you for watching.